Hey guys, so I'm brand new to the world of mechanical keyboards. I've recently been watching more videos on YouTube about this hobby that seems to have taken the internet by storm. Seems like the biggest reasons that mechanical keyboards have made a comeback since their widespread use in the 90s is these three reasons. 1. Sound. Mechanical keyboards have a way of making typing interesting again. We all got used to membrane keyboards or butterfly switches on laptops and forgot how good a keyboard can actually sound. It's almost a satisfying listening experience when typing. Number 2 is feel. This is something I've always struggled with when typing. I'm not the fastest typer, nor am I the most accurate, but there is something to be said about how mechanical keyboards provide feedback and offer a better touch when typing. This seems to have allowed me to type quicker and with less mistakes. And number 3, customization. This should be to no one's surprise that people love to add their own touch to items they use regularly. We do it all the time with electronics, cars, and clothes. Mechanical keyboard as a hobby allow the user to really make unique choices to what they prefer and how their experience is when mashing away on the keyboard. I came across Keychron through the rabbit hole of YouTube suggested videos and saw quite a bit of praise for this brand and what they were doing in the space of mechanical keyboards. I quickly jumped to their website and searched for something that piqued my interest. I saw a lot of reviews for the Q1, which is their 75% layout, and the reviews were all pretty positive, especially for new users in the space of mechanical keyboards. I've always used a full-size keyboard, so when I came across the Q6, which is what I have here, I was sold. I quickly picked out the color board and switches I wanted and placed my order, eagerly waiting for the arrival of something that not too long ago I thought was a pretty silly way to spend $200. Let's take a look at the board. First thing you notice right out of the box is the weight of this thing. I think most people can picture how heavy a regular keyboard is, but not until you pick up a mechanical keyboard will you understand the weight of these new boards. This one specifically weighs in at 5.3 pounds. That's probably 2 to 3 pounds heavier than most keyboards you might pick up at your local Best Buy. The second thing you notice is how well built this board is. No flex at all. It's made of all metal, no plastic here. Last thing is the typing and sound. Right after I received the Keychron Q6, I rushed to plug it into my computer and started typing away. I wanted to make sure the sound I was hearing in the videos was actually the experience. Sure enough, it passed the test with flying colors. Some really cool things about Keychron is how they cater to both Windows and Mac users alike. The keyboard has a toggle that you can switch to either OS and also has matching keycaps to go with it. My primary use for this keyboard will be for desktop computer, so I replaced the Apple specific keys and added the infamous Windows logo key onto the board. These boards also support customization through VIA, which essentially is just a website that you can go to and change keys to different functions and really make it your own. If your board supports RGB, you can also customize that lighting through VIA. Last cool thing I want to mention about Keychron is how they offer their ability to buy a bare bones kit that then gives you more customization to your board. You can select which keycaps you want or buy one from a different company and which switches you prefer. I went with the Keychron G Pro Red, a linear typing experience. Overall, I'm very happy with this purchase and excited to use the keyboard for more typing and gaming. Go check out their website for more different options if you're interested in mechanical keyboards. Thanks.